So imagine with me for a moment, you have a big bowl of ice cream right in front of you, and you start eating that ice cream, and then a fit of coughs rushes right over you. You might have wondered, why does the ice cream make you cough? Well, first, let's answer the question, what is a cough? Well, a cough is defined as expelling air out of your mouth with a sharp sound. My definition would be the feeling of when you think you're going to throw up your spleen. But what makes that spleen want to come out? Well, coughing can be caused by many different things, including the common cold, smoking, asthma, dust, chemicals, medicine, and blocked airway, which is the most common. Well, but why does ice cream make you cough? Ice cream is made of mucus, and mucus, ice cream is a dairy product. Dairy products have mucus. Sorry if I'm confusing you, Mr. Taylor. And mucus is thick, and then when the mucus gets cold, mucus becomes even more thick. Also, ice cream has hypersensitive cough receptors that make you cough. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit of how to stop from coughing. Here are some helpful tips. Number 1, stay hydrated. Not talking about pop and soda, talking about water. Number 2, hot beverages like tea or hot tea and coffee. Number 3, humidifiers, mainly steam. Number 4, cough medicine. And if you ever wondered how cough medicine works, it thins the mucus in your throat. So in conclusion, coughing is mainly caused from a clogged airway, but to stop coughing, remember the tips: stay hydrated, drink hot beverages, use steam, and take cough medicine.